In today's video, guys, we are going to be fitting up 18 by 10.5 inch wheels on the 300ZX. Let's get into it. So in the box, let's look at these wheels. These are the XXRs 526s, 10.5 inch wide, 18 inch wheels. I'm gonna see if they fit on the 300ZX. Let's put this wheel on. But first, we need to jack the car up and get this wheel off. Voila, they are on. They look so good. We are going to be putting the body kit on the 300ZX, and I think it's gonna look absolutely amazing. What do you think?
100%. I mean,
we already see what it looks like, but I'm gonna show you now. Moment of truth, guys. Let's see. Moment of truth, will the front lip fit? You all the way on?
There it is. I'm on mine. Are you on yours?
No.
Hold on. How much you got? Can I see?
I'm so close.
Let me see. We're a lot closer than before.
Moment of truth, guys. I hope this thing fits. Please, please, please. You all the way on?
Yep. You? Should be. How close are you? Might need a trim.
It wants to, but I can't.
Oh no.
I think it'll work here. It's just this lip. This right here.
There it is. Boom!
Oh my gosh.
Tight fit.
Oh my gosh. We made it work.
Okay, cool.
Yes, sir.
That looks good.
Now we're gonna take a quick break and see Farmer Dan on the mini bike. So I'm not gonna lie, guys, the mini bike is broken, but we're gonna fix it right now. So here is the part that is broken. The pull string snapped on me. So let's get this thing unboxed. We're back in business, baby. I'm Dirty Dan. Oh, that sounded really stupid. Okay. Little technical difficulties right now. Let's ride. So right now, we're gonna show this little kid who's boss. We're gonna race down the hill, up the hill, I don't know, but let's go. What happened? Little does he know, I actually cut his gas line so he couldn't win. Subscribe. That's it for Dirty Dan. Now it's time to retire. I got beat. You know, you win some, you lose some, but we're out. What do you think about the car?
Sick. Yeah, the wheels fit. It's pretty good.
Genuine.
Sam?
Genuine.
What do you think?
Genuine.
You like
Genuine
it?
wheels. These are not reps, guys. I promise.
Now it's time to throw on the back and see how well they fit. Oh.
Like a glove.
Yes, sir. All right guys, these wheels look absolutely sick. These guys are gonna fit. Have to do some camber in the front. I think the rear will actually clear. Might have to pull it out just a little bit. Really just gonna have to run some stretch tires on the front and rear, maybe some camber, I'm not sure, but I absolutely love the way that everything turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Comment down below what you guys think about the new wheels. If you like the little mini bike snippet we put in the video. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget that subscribe button. Peace.